ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
East West Group of Institution Bangalore Kubladon Kumasan Postami A Bat Kabapau Baha Kakot admission na kabunta ka nursing and paramedical course Ikijungte bakambanya kolai kiniki number harum
Kajing hanong ba shlong halor gadhengkali gadai ba kamshim ladon lagi post nam ban penhe yaki Surok Naduh belayo ya Jylla ba Pura bat kani gabu jing hadu menta habaya keren bigalat pathai khubor hadim balashimti yakshuki kum ka DGP batmai jong Jylla ka kong ida sha nongrang kalong ba hagi khatsan snam menchwa ka jing register ki kali hapo ka tanat DTO kam kot hadu shispa tali ki kali hak shisnam henry menta tang hak shisngiru ki ba register ki dan kumbash photuli
problem with Surok per se is the fact that we've not been able to expand our own capacity at all. Whatever we had 50 years ago or more than 50 years ago when we became a state, the number of roads in Surok has remained the same. There has been hardly any widening of any of the roads also. It was the existing roads 50 years ago. Now 50 years ago you hardly had registration of how many vehicles in a year. Not even 100 vehicles in a year. Today we have a registration of new vehicles in Surok, in East Khasilas DTO. The Transport Office registers on an average at least 10 new vehicles every day. The last time we did a study, we had when we were looking at putting, if we were to put the vehicles which were registered just from East Khasilas, from Surok, in a line, we would the space for that would not be, all your roads would be covered, including only internal roads. You would wouldn't even have enough space for that. So that is a major limitation that we have in controlling traffic. Having said that also, traffic has a lot of other stakeholders also. So it would have to be a holistic approach. It cannot be just the police department. It would be the police department working together, the traffic branch of the police department working together with the other agencies also.